Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the default location when installing Bluestacks. So just Google download Bluestacks, you'll be getting the first link from bluestacks.com. Click that and just select download Bluestacks 10. This will give us the setup file like this. So just double click it, click on yes, and here you can see we will be having an option called as install location like this. So this is going to be the default location where Bluestacks will get installed. If you want to change it, just click on change. Yeah, you can click on change folder. So this is the space that Bluestacks require. Just click on change folder. So now just go to your folder and go to the drive where you want to have Bluestacks installed. So in my case I want to have it in new volume E. I'll just go here, right click new. I'll just have it as Bluestacks. Yeah, I'll just have a folder like this. Now just close this and again click on change folder, this PC, volume E, and here you can see I'll be having Bluestacks folder, which is the empty folder that I created now. Select this and click on OK. So we will be getting that path over here, E Bluestacks and the Bluestacks thing. Yeah, so that's it. I will just click on install now and click on I agree. So download will begin and the installation process will also begin. And that's it, we'll be getting Bluestacks, and if you click on app player. So I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel, done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.